Oh, we're going to walk in a minute, Gus. Are you handsome? Are you a handsome little boy? Come on. Don't go walk. Do you want a treat? What's that? We're going to walk. Where's your stick?
We came here about a year ago to
Yeah.
your people to make an alliance.
You handsome lad, aren't you? Hey, you a handsome lad. Are we going walkies?
This one does not. He stands with them.
Imagine your civilization is facing a great cataclysm. The end is coming, you know it. I mean, wouldn't you leave something behind?
You going to smile for us?
Told whoever came after
Are you going to smile?
Yes,
Gus.
that's what you can learn about.
Don't go for a walk. Ow! Ow!